Um, welcome back on this channel. Welcome back on this channel. So, in today's video, I'll be taking you on how to get brand deals on Impact. Okay, how to get brand deals on Impact. That is what I will be taking you on. Okay, so right here, what you want to do firstly is if you haven't subscribed to that channel, kindly go down there, click on the subscribe button so that when I draw videos on how to make money, affiliate marketing, and things that are going to interest you on internet marketing, you are going to get notified. Okay, so while today, we are proceeding on how to get brand deals on Impact Radio. So, right here, what you want to do is you want to proceed onto your Impact. Okay, if you don't know how to open an Impact account, go watch my previous video on how to do that. So, we want to go here to the Impact website. Okay, so it's going to load up. You see something like this. You already have an account with them. Okay. If you don't have an account with them, go watch my previous videos on how to do that. Okay. So you want to go here and open the sign in button. Okay, you want to go here and open the signing board. So this is a pre account. I got another approval with. I have multiple accounts with them. You can see it right here. I have multiple accounts with them. Okay, so this is a account I got, a newly account I got approval on, whereby I used in making that video. Okay, so what you want to do here, you want to sign in. Okay. When you open the sign, it will bring you to a page like this. Okay. I guess you're having some network issue. It's if it persists, you can just reload it over here. So this is our dashboard. Okay. I told you this is a new account. If you go watch the previous video, you will see that this is a new account. Okay. So right here, what you want to do is getting brand news. Okay. So firstly, what you want to do is these are pre qualified brand whereby you can join immediately. Okay, this is what I mean. So you can see when we click on join here, they'll ask us like something we should apply. So now we don't need writing anything here. Okay, we don't need writing anything here. It's maybe brand whereby you are pre-qualified. You need to write some things to make them get some attraction. Okay, but now you just want to click on apply, and immediately it's going to read that. You can see welcome to mainstainsteels.com. Okay, so that is it. So these are pre-qualified brand whereby you can join immediately. Okay, you can join immediately. So you can just go on and join the pre-qualified brand. This one are CPS. Okay, these are CPS brand whereby you can promote and sell and make money. Okay, so welcome to CoinSmart, buy and sell crypto and all these things. Okay, so what you want to do right here is we want to search for brands whereby we can work with in the CPL aspect. So what you want to do right here is you want to go over here. You see something like home brand reports and content. You want to go over here. Okay, first let's navigate through. So this is the search button whereby you can search for brands too, and this is the notification button whereby maybe a newly campaign gets in or you get approved, the notification will pop up here. You can see we got the notification over here. Okay, so this is where if you want to set your account, you can just go over here, click on the setting and all these things. So that is that for that. So this is the home button. This is how the home button look like. This is a new account. When you start generating clicks, you see something like snapshots over here. Okay, you see something like snapshot over here. Okay, that is it. So okay, so right here, what you want to do is I have multiple accounts with them. Okay, let me show you what I mean by that snapshot. Let's go over. Let me open another new account. I got approval under a week with two accounts. Okay, so let me do that. Let me show you what that snapshot looks like. Okay, let me use this. I have my real account whereby I generated the income with them. Okay, but I just want to show you what it looks like. Okay, you can see I only generated clicks with this. I haven't generated money. Okay, I make this account for tutorial purpose. You can see this is how it will look when you start generating clicks, and maybe when you start getting income, it will show up here, your EPC and those things. So this is what I mean by that. So let me cancel it over here. Let me go back to this is the new account whereby we are using. So to search for brand deals, right? What you want to do is when you come over to brand and open, you see something like find brand, my brand, invite, proposal. My brand means when you get brand approval, this is where you'll be searching for them. So let's open it. You can see we have no brand over here. We have no brand over here. Okay, the brand we just have over here is there's maybe Swagbuck and these things. Okay, you can see. Okay, I already got some brand approval. I never knew. I already got some brand approval. Okay, so that's cool. So when you get on my brand, this is what it will look like. Okay, this is what it will look like. Wait, what account am I? Oh, no, 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 no. I'm not using this account. So, oh, yeah, yeah. I know I don't have any brand approval. This is a new account. Okay, yeah, I logged in. Oh, no, 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 no. Let's log in over to that one. Sorry. This was the one I showed you about. The one I showed you on how snapshot is. I want to show you how it will look newly on you that just got approval. So let's cancel this. You're working on this. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, this is how you can see zero clicks, action is zero, payout is zero, sale amount is everything is still zero, zero, zero. So what you want to do right here is you want to go over here and go to find brands because you want to search for brands to work with over here. Okay, so when you get on the find bar, you see something like featured, all brands, and all these things. What you want to do over here is you want to click on all brands, okay, so that it will give you all the brands. Okay, you want to click on all brands. So we have over 3,000 brands on these things whereby you can work with. So here now we want to search for CPL deals. Okay, we want to search for CPL deals. So what you want to do right here is to make it faster instead of scrolling and whereby you can see this is email lead, this is email lead. Okay, so you can just this is because this pays $5 per lead. Okay, you can see. So for you to get your CPL filter out, what you want to do here is payout model. Go over to the left hand categories over here. Click on payout model. You see something like call duration call. So what you want to search for online lead whereby we are going to get paid per CPL. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on the online lead, but you can if it's something you are interested in this, so it's cool. Okay, so but for this tutorial, we are dealing on this. Okay, so we have filtered this out. This is how it will looks. Okay, payout model is we need online lead, so it's bringing them out. Okay, so you can see it has bring them out over here. It has bring them out over here. You can see. So now what you just want to do here is searching for brands to work with. This is constant email and they pay $5 per lead. um okay, this is you can just see this is the odds. The pace is 0.01. mm, just search for deals whereby they are okay. Okay, deals whereby you can see something like online sign up $5, and in your niche free trial $2, sign up $1. You can just just go about these things. Just go about these things. Okay, so to apply for brands, what you want to do is you want to click on apply, and you come over, you see something like tell my IT recruiter why you want to work on this campaign. So there's a format you are going to use right here. There's a format you are going to use right here. Okay, so maybe in my next video I'll be teaching you on the format you need to use. Okay, so stay tuned, and this is that for that. So that is just this on how to navigate the platform and how to get brand deals, okay, that will pay you for CPL. Okay, so stay tuned. Maybe I'm going to drop some video on the format you need in app.